Welcome to Bay Point Elementary, home of the Panthers. Here we inspire the next generation of innovators, thinkers, and leaders. As a magnet school with a focus on science, Spanish, and technology, our scholars embark on a journey of discovery and growth. At BPE, we believe in the power of hands-on learning. From experimenting in our world-class science lab to mastering new languages in our cutting-edge language lab. And with our outdoor classrooms, scholars have a place to learn and have fun in the sun. BPE is proud to be the first elementary school to adopt Project Lead the Way, promoting hands-on STEM learning through exciting challenges that develop critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration. And we can't forget all the fun we had along the way, from our first annual sneaker ball and parent night out, a visit from the Bucks, math and muffins in the morning, Boo Bash, and our monthly Kona Ice visits. Come be a part of our BPE family, where every Panther pounces on opportunities with pride and passion. Explore a world of endless possibilities and find out why we say BPE is the place to be.